Guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share a new product with you. In this video I have a portable washing machine which I bought it from Amazon at a price of 1500. So that thing I'm going to unbox it today and I'm going to show you how it works. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. So this is the product. As you can see, this is from Tosri. So this is a very portable device. You can carry it anywhere, wherever you want. So here is the top. From here you can just put the water and the soap and then put the cloth inside and then cover it, and then you can turn it on by pressing this for 3 seconds. So when you turn it on for 3 seconds, you can see that it is showing P1. So this is like for 5 seconds it will rotate forward, and for 5 seconds it will rotate backward. And there is another mode, that is P2. It will rotate for 10 seconds forward and then 10 seconds backward. So this is the function. These are the two functions which are available for this washing machine. And if you press this for 3 seconds, it will turn off. So this is the basic principle of this washing machine. And in the back side you will get a Type-C port for charging the device. This is the Type-C port. So by using any mobile charger you can charge this device easily. So this is the device, and in the box you will get a bag for carrying the device anywhere, wherever you want, a warranty card for 6 months warranty, and some manuals. So these are the things which you will get in the box, nothing else. So this is the product. So here you can see these are all the steps how you can operate the machine. So that's it. So this is the warranty card of the device. You can just scan this QR code from your Google account, and from there you can just fill it up, and you just have to put your name, details and all, and the invoice number, and from there your warranty will be activated. So let's keep aside the box and let's see how the product works. So I'm going to put some water inside the washing machine. So by this step you can just put water in your washing machine for washing your clothes. So if you want to take it out before, then you can just press it for 3 seconds and then take the cloth out from this, like the reverse way, which I've done. So it is now washing my cloth properly. As you can see, all the darts coming out from the cloth. So it is now working like a general washing machine, and this is very portable. You can carry it anywhere, wherever you want. So like this way your cloth will be washed properly. So you can see that all the dusts are coming out from the cloth, and it is washing properly like a general washing machine. So never try to open this lid when it is washing, because the water will come out from the top. So let's keep this for 15 minutes and we'll come back after 15 minutes and we'll take out the cloth and see how it is washed. So guys, I'm back after 15 minutes and I will check that how the cloth is washed. So as you can see that all the darts are removed from it properly, and I just have to do like this to remove the excessive soap water, and after that we'll just have to wash it in the pure water, tap water or anything, to just clean all the darts properly, all the soap water properly, and then you have to soak like this for few minutes if you want to remove all the water. And you can see that the cloth is totally washed, all the darts are gone. So I think that this is a very useful product for those who are staying outside home and for those who are traveling. So this is a portable device, you can carry it anywhere, wherever you want. And my cloth is now properly washed, it is now totally cleaned. I just have to dry it out. In this washing machine you can dry your cloth, so you have to dry it separately. So as you can see, by using this machine you can easily wash small clothes like baby cloth or handkerchiefs, socks, innerwears easily, wherever you want, whenever you want. This is a very cheap product and you can also use it, you can carry it anywhere. So this product is for those who travels a lot, or for those who stay outside home like in mess or hostel. So for those, this product is highly recommendable. So when you want to remove the water, you just have to do it like this. All the dirty water are gone and you can clean it like this. So don't worry, this is waterproof product, so if any water goes inside, it will not damage the product. And one thing, make sure you don't keep this charging port cover open while washing or while cleaning the product, otherwise it can go inside and can damage your device, so that is not recommendable. So that's it guys. So by this device you can easily clean your small clothes whenever and wherever you want. This device is very portable, you can carry it anywhere wherever you want. So this is not for everyone, this is for students, those who are staying outside like in mess or hostel, or those who like to travel. So I'm also staying outside my home, so that's why I bought this one from Amazon, and I'm also getting 6 months of warranty on this product. So if anything goes wrong, then I can claim the warranty from the company. Anyway guys, I'll share the link of the device in the description of this video. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section of this video. I will try to answer those. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you would like to see these kind of videos, latest gadgets, unboxing and all, then please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. Bye, take care, and happy new year to everyone in advance. Ta-da.